So it's holiday season and there's going to be lots of sales coming our way. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 12/12, Christmas sales, you name it. Anything and everything to get you to spend your money. And you know what it's like. It's 12/12, you're scrolling through your phone on Shopee or Lazada to buy things that you don't need just so you can get a discount. It's like when you go grocery shopping and you don't have a list with you, everything looks so delicious and interesting and you end up spending more time and money in the grocery shop than you would have liked. But if you have a shopping list with you, you go in and you get exactly what you need and you go out with a thicker wallet. So instead of letting these retailers convince you to buy things you don't need, in this video we'll talk about 7 everyday items that you can buy that will save you money, pay for itself very quickly, and in the long run, maybe even make you money considering how much money you will save from these items. These things can potentially give you more returns than you buying stocks, real estate, or smashing that like button. Some of the things listed here, we've bought them ourselves and we've gotten tremendous amount of value from them. So if you see something interesting, make sure to put it on your wish list so that you can take advantage of the sale instead of the sale taking advantage of you. The purpose of this video is to give you some ideas on items you can buy this holiday season that can either make you or save you money, and also to remind you to list down exactly what you want to buy just so that you don't make unnecessary or impulse purchases. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Cha-ching! That was a good one. At number 1 is a cooking machine. We spend a lot more time at home now, and so cooking our own food not only helps us save money, but also helps us live a healthier lifestyle. Instead of ordering Grab food or McDonald's all the time, you can get an affordable cooking machine online, and it can help you save a lot of money very quickly. This also applies to anything you consume regularly. If you love drinking coffee, maybe get a coffee machine so that you don't have to go out and spend money on overpriced coffee. Imagine how much you'll be saving in medical bills because you've decided to cook your own food instead of eating processed or fast food all the time. This is definitely worth it. I just googled cooking machine and there are a lot of affordable options, but if you want to go all the way, you can also get a Thermomix machine, which can do everything from cooking, boiling, stewing, chopping, mincing, blending, kneading, and whisking. Whew! But with this kind of versatility, it also comes with a hefty price tag. But don't worry, because I know for a fact that people who buy these Thermomix machines often buy more than one. And just like iPhones, people who buy these machines tend to want to upgrade every year to the latest technology. So if you go to Carousel or Facebook Marketplace, you can find a second-hand machine at an affordable price if you look for it. At number 2 is anything that helps you work better. I work from home, so most of my day is spent in this room. And so far, I've bought several things that have helped me be more comfortable and more productive in my workspace. One of those things is this chair. I bought this office chair from a company called Seat at an affordable price, and so far I'm loving it. I sit down for hours every day on this chair and it gives me great support and it doesn't leave me with sore spots or back pains. Another thing we recently bought are desktop computers. We bought this about a month ago because we knew that we were going to be working from home a lot more, and so far it's been a great investment. We bought our PCs at about 50% cheaper than a similarly spec'd laptop out there, and considering that you can upgrade your desktop computer more than you can a laptop, this is definitely an investment for the long run. We also bought desktop monitors to help me edit better and faster for videos on this channel, and now I have a lot more space to edit my videos instead of editing on a small laptop. It's definitely saved me a lot of time and made me more productive at work. So if you're going to buy something this holiday season, spend on something that will make your work more productive so that you can potentially earn more income. Number 3 is a dash cam. If you drive a lot, a dash cam is kind of like insurance. It's there to protect you in case anything goes wrong while you're driving. Most Grab drivers have dash cams in their cars because they know that it's not a question of if something goes wrong, but when something goes wrong. If you get into an accident, knock on wood, you have video proof of what happened, and this can save you a lot of time, money, and can save you from a big headache when you claim insurance. I don't drive as often anymore, but when I do go back to driving, I'll be considering a Xiaomi dashcam that I found at an affordable price. While we're on the topic of cameras, you can also get security cameras for your home. If you live in a house and you're not in a gated community or you don't have security, then getting security cameras can be a great investment. Just like a dashcam, it can save you a lot of time, money, and headaches in the unfortunate event that somebody tries to damage or break into your home. Because now you have video proof of exactly what happened. In the past, CCTV cameras and systems were very expensive to set up, but now you can buy home security cameras at a very affordable price, and the cameras can link to an app in your smartphone, so it's very easy to set up and very affordable to get. Number 4 is gym equipment. Even though we go to the gym less often now, working out and staying healthy is still important. And it's easier than ever to set up your own home gym or small exercise area. If you don't know where to start, try buying a yoga mat, and from there you already have tons of options to do bodyweight exercises. If you want to spice it up a bit, maybe get some skipping ropes, dumbbells, and resistance bands, and you're all set up. You don't need a lot to set up your home gym. Maybe you can't get a squat rack and barbell, but that's okay. I just use a yoga mat, a few dumbbells, and skipping ropes for my workouts. I would love to have a squat rack and barbell and maybe a punching bag, but there's a gym close to my house nearby and I can always go there if I want to. And number 5 is a good mattress. We spend about a third of our lives sleeping, so it makes sense to invest your money in a quality mattress that you can get good sleep on every night. And you don't necessarily have to spend crazy amounts of money on mattresses as long as you know what you're looking for. Most mattress companies today spend too much on marketing and too little on creating quality mattresses. So do your research and find out exactly what you're looking for in your mattress. There are lots of new startups that deliver mattresses in a box, and I've tried them so far and they've been great. I don't need a lot of cushioning to sleep well. I just sleep on a thin mattress topper and a bamboo mat on my floor. It cost me about 500 ringgit for this whole setup, and I've been sleeping on it for months now and it's been great so far. And number 6 is spending some money on personal education. If you want to increase your income, spending some money on upgrading your skills can go a very long way. Nowadays, there are tons of free and paid options to upgrade your skills. You don't have to spend a lot of money on knowledge or information. You can just buy a book and you can learn from someone's whole life experience all condensed in one book. And chances are, you'll make back your money very fast if you apply the lessons that you've learned. At the end of the year, there are usually book sales like Big Bad Wolf, where you can get books for just 5 ringgit. If you've been wanting to start a side hustle, investing some money into your skills and knowledge can really determine the success of your side hustle or business. When starting this channel, we invested time and money in courses on how to grow a YouTube channel. And if we haven't done so, this channel wouldn't be where it is today. You know what else made this channel where it is today? You hitting that like button and subscribing, so thanks for doing that. Because of the internet, almost all of the information there is out there can be found online for free. When you buy a book or a course, what you're actually paying for is the organization of that information and the delivery of it, and so that you can learn easier and faster instead of you having to gather all of that information yourself, organize it, and teach it to yourself. Also, if you pay for something, you tend to value it more. If you bought a book with your own money, you're more likely to read it and finish it compared to if someone gave you a book for free. Keep in mind that when you're building your skills and knowledge, you're actually building assets that can never be taken away from you. You may lose all your money, but if you have the knowledge in your head and the skills in your hand, you can always make back that money. And number 7, for the last one, is to buy anything that brings you joy in life. Not everything you buy has to save or make you money. If you love collecting action figures or if you love upgrading your car, go for it. As long as it brings you joy and it's within your budget and you're being smart about it, you shouldn't deprive yourself of the things you want just so you can save a bit of money. If I wanted to buy a PlayStation 5, I should go for it, right? Well, maybe not this year. And to add a bonus to that, you can also buy something for someone else to bring joy in someone else's lives. It's been proven that when we buy something for other people, it actually makes us feel happier in the long term. Instead of buying things that are for us, over time we get excited when we buy new physical things, but over time we just forget about it and it doesn't really add value to our lives. But if we buy things for other people and we make other people feel joy and happiness, then that will stick with us for a much longer time. So go buy your family, friends, or maybe even strangers, buy them a nice gift, and you might feel a lot better with your purchase than if you were to buy something for yourself. So those are the 7 things that you can buy this holiday season that will either save you or make you money. The most important thing is to have a wish list and write down exactly what you plan to buy so that you go in the store and you know what you want and you get out, instead of you going in and being attracted to all the promotions and you go out making unnecessary purchases. I have a wish list myself and I've been saving up for a couple of things too. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see more on that. Let us know down in the comments what is one thing you plan on buying this holiday season and why. We'd love to hear from you. What video to watch next? Well, YouTube thinks that you will enjoy this video. Or you can watch this video about 11 high-paying jobs that you can do from home. I'll see you in the next one.